events and listening to events as well. We've updated the version that the tickets service is making use of for the common library. So now our ticket service has access to all that event stuff as well. In this video, the first thing we're going to start to focus on is making sure that whenever someone creates a new ticket by making a post request to our ticket service, so specifically this new route handler right here, we're going to make sure that we create the ticket, save the ticket to the database, and then right after that, we're going to want to publish an event telling every other service inside of our application that someone just created a new ticket. So to do so, we are going to create a new custom publisher inside of our tickets service. This custom publisher, sole purpose is to publish an event saying, hey, a ticket was created. It's going to end up looking just about identical to the one we just put together inside of that little Gnats test project a moment ago. So let's put this thing together right away. Inside my ticket service, I'm going to find the src directory. Inside there, I'm going to make a new folder called events. And then inside of that, I'm going to make a new folder called publishers. So we're going to have a slightly better folder structure this time around. We're going to have a directory for all the different publishers that we create, and a directory eventually for all the different custom listeners we create as well. Inside of publishers, I'm going to make a new file called ticket created publisher.ts. Okay, so inside of here, we're going to put together a very simple publisher. Remember, a publisher is going to emit an event over to Gnats streaming server. And again, this thing is going to look very similar to the one we already put together. So at the very top, I'm going to import the publisher base class, our subjects enum, and the ticket created event. And all those are going to come from my common library. So then inside this file, we're going to export a class of ticket created publisher. This is going to be extending the publisher base class. That is a generic class, which means we need to put on those angled brackets and provide the type of event that we are going to try to emit with this publisher. So in this case, it is a ticket created event. So now TypeScript is going to try to guide us and tell us what we're doing wrong here. Well, if we hover over this thing, it's telling us that we need to define some subject. Remember, the subject is going to be essentially the name of the channel that we want to emit this event to. The name of our subject is going to be the ticket created event, or excuse me, not ticket created event, but subjects. That's what we're looking for. We do a command click on subjects. We'll see that we've got the subject in there named ticket created. So we'll put in subject. It is of type subjects.ticketCreated, and its value is subjects.ticketCreated. As a reminder, we have to do both the type annotation right here and the value assignment. The reason that we have both on here is to make sure that we never try to change the value of subject. So by saying that subject is of type subjects.ticketCreated, we are not going to be allowed to change this value to any other value at any point in time. Okay, so that looks good. So now we can save this. And now in theory, in some other file, we can import this publisher. We can create a new ticket created publisher, pass in our Gnats client, and then publish some kind of ticket or something like that. All right, so let's take a quick pause right here. When we come back in the next video, we're going to figure out how to create a Gnats client